The most American pie is apple pie, then the most Black American pie is a sweet potato pie. That is my hands down favorite recipe.
Oh, that's good.
Hi, I'm Bailey Benson. I am a fourth year undergraduate at University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, and the program I'm in is the Food Studies program. So my project is called An Afrofuturist Guide to Cooking, and it originally started as a cookbook, but now it's just a larger collection and book of Black thought and creative expression. A lot of people would say it's more than a cookbook, but I think cookbooks can be very impactful because a cookbook doesn't just have to be recipes. A cookbook can include music, art, interviews, and narratives. It also includes a lot of unlearning and relearning in a more inclusive way. Afrofuturism is mostly referred to as an entertainment genre, and it describes science fiction that focuses on the reality of Black people around the world, so think like Black Panther. That is, I think, one of the most recent and most prevalent Afrofuturistic pieces of work. I will be making the peanut chicken skewer. It's sticky, it's sweet, it's spicy, it's savory. It's inspired by chicken satay, but it uses more flavors from the African diaspora. It is, that combination of sweet and spicy, but also something unexpected, because when I think about Afrofuturism, I think there's so much more than meets the eye. I cook for my friends. One thing that I've done very recently is trying to capture the personality of a person or something that you really appreciate into something that you can consume. I try to make it as accessible as possible. Measuring cups would be nice, but you don't need to have those. Instead of saying maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt, I'll say like a four-finger pinch. There's just so many different ways you could interact with recipes, and I make sure to include a couple ways typically when I'm talking about, like, if I'm making like grilled chicken skewers, you don't have to have a grill to make grilled chicken skewers. You can pop them in the oven. I want my cookbook to be accessible to everybody, and I want anyone who reads it to not only be able to read it and enjoy it, but also cook from it and have a good meal.